According to me, Modi should be celebrating his new year, giving something or the other to poor children, old age people, because it's becoming colder day by day. He should party.
देखिए कश्मीर में अभी उसकी सीटें आई हैं इतनी सारी, तो वहाँ के लिए जो है उनके विक्टिम्स के लिए कुछ करे, कंबल बांटे, खाना वाना दे.
As he wishes, he's a great man. He can do anything and everything he wants.
I think he should maybe talk less for once and do something good for a change.
Yeah, he should chill because it's New Year and he's getting into another set of problems and another set of resolutions that he has to make. So he should chill for one day or one night.
I think he should celebrate this with the Jawans who are posted in border.
First of all, that is his perspective, and being the Prime Minister of India, he doesn't need my suggestion. If I were to give a view, then I think he should celebrate it here with us, in wholeness with us, because it is we who have made him the Prime Minister. I myself voted for him, but at the same time, if he is abroad, he's representing us, so it's completely up to his.
He should celebrate New Year Eve with street children of Connaught Place and see what they are going through. Here, I can see a lot of drug addicts here.
For New Year's Eve, I think he should give a message to the country and especially to all these Hindutva groups that they should, stop whatever they are doing, like, vandalizing cinema halls and all that they've been doing, all these forced conversions and all.
To be very frank, I don't care. I'm not a very politically active person.
फजूल खर्चा नहीं करना चाहिए क्योंकि देश को पैसे की ज़रूरत है.
धूमधाम से.
He should not go abroad and all. He should celebrate it in India only.
शहर के अंदर जो हुड़दंग वगैरह होता है, सीपी के अंदर जो हुड़दंग होता है, उसके लिए जनता से अपील करें कि भाई जो भी है नहीं अपना शांति के साथ और अपने घर में आराम के साथ घर पे मनाएं.
Maybe take a day off and relax. I think he's doing too much.
नया साल बनाने से क्या होता है? वो तो हर साल बनाया जाता है. इस बार कुछ नया करें.
Like any normal आम आदमी, I guess he should celebrate it with family. That's what I'm doing.
Like he did on the Teachers' Day, doing a live broadcast because he used this medium to spread the message. That's why I think he should celebrate with us.
गाँव जाके अपनी मदर के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करें. हमारे लिए तो वो करते ही रहेंगे और करते आ रहे हैं. 1 मिनट का भी उन्होंने ब्रेक नहीं लिया, बट अब उनको कुछ अपने लिए टाइम निकालना चाहिए. Happy New Year, Modi.